Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat not loading Snap. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser, and first you need to search for speed test. So sometimes this issue happens due to poor internet speed. So you can use any website. So I'm going to check my internet speed from here. So you can see that I have a good internet connection. So this is the first method. The second method you simply need to search for is Snapchat down. So you need to open down detector from here, and from here you need to scroll down, and if you see a large spike here, so it means that Snapchat is currently down and the Snapchat team is working on that to fix that issue. But as you can see, there is no issue here. And the third method, you simply need to go back and open your smartphone settings, and here you need to go into the app management and click on the app list and search for the Snapchat. Click on that and click on storage and cache. The first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and after that your issue will be resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.